I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is John Lindsay. He is President and CEO at Helmerich Payne. John, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
It's great to be here. This is a fantastic opportunity.
It's an exciting occasion.
It is very exciting.
You just rang the opening bell, celebrating 60 years of
We
listing on the
did.
New York Stock Exchange.
We did.
An exciting milestone. First time ringing the bell for H&P.
First time ringing the bell. The last time we were here officially was the IPO in 1963.
1963.
60 years ago.
Amazing,
Yes.
amazing. Well, wonderful to have you here celebrating this
Thank
incredible
you.
milestone.
Thank you.
Thank
we're,
you.
We're excited to be here. I've got the management team, got our board of directors, and just a lot of folks here with H&P. So it's exciting and fun for everybody.
Yeah, wonderful to have
Thanks
you
for
here.
having us.
Oh,
Yeah.
a pleasure. So now let's talk about your company. Tell me about the company and the purpose. Who is H&P?
Well, H&P, we're in the drilling services business. So we're in oil and gas. We've been in business since 1920. We were actually going to ring the bell in 2020, and of course, the pandemic and all those challenges. But we're in the rig drilling business. We're in the technology business. And we're really in the people business. You and I were talking before, and how you make this happen.
Mm-hmm.
You've got the greatest technology in the world here at NYSE, but without the people, you don't have the execution of this special event. So, and that's really how we are at H&P. You know, we're really known for great service attitude, teamwork, and again, we drill for oil and gas, and we also do geothermal drilling as well.
And you're over 100 years old. So
We are.
Tell me, what does it take to keep a company going for more than 100 years?
Yeah, so the founder, Walt Helmerich, founded the company, oil and gas, very conservative background. His son, Walt Helmerich III, took over the company, again, very conservative. So oil and gas is highly cyclical, as you know. Not a good business to get into, to get into a debt situation. So we're very focused on conservatism, financially conservative, but we're also looking at ways to grow the company and ways to interact and get technology into the business. So I think it's really an opportunity for us over the years is to look at our customers, what are customers needing, what are customers wanting, and then that's what we've done. We've eventually developed the first high technology rig 20 years ago, and that was really a turning point for us most recently. And then we've made some additional technology acquisitions over the last 5 years.
All right, so let's talk about the oil and gas sector a little bit. It's seen a bit of a challenging cycle since the end of the 2010 to 2014 upcycle.
Right.
2022 was a great year for O&G coming out of the pandemic. But tell me, how are you navigating through the recent correction?
You know, that's a great question. There are some people that are referring to this current cycle as a downturn. And it's really just what you said. It's really a correction. If you look at the longer term fundamentals, the fundamentals for oil and gas are very strong. And we saw a very similar situation from 2011 through 2014. We had a very strong upcycle, but there was a lot of volatility. You know, the rig count came off 10 to 15% during that period of time. So we're staying the course. We're continuing to invest in people, invest in technology. We really think that technology is an edge that we have. We're the largest player in North America, and that scale really gives us some advantages as we compete day in and day out. So again, I think we're in a great position. We've got a great strategy, fantastic team, and a good set of customers.
All right, so 60 years traded here on the New York Stock Exchange. Talk to me about what that means to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange.
Well, it's there's a lot of symbolism. It was interesting just listening to Chris talk about NYSE and the history, and really this trusted partner concept. And I really love that because that's the way we think about it at H&P. We partner with our customers. We try to figure out how we can help them deliver for their shareholders. Obviously, we're in the business of delivering for our shareholders. But I remember early in my career going into the boardroom at H&P's corporate office, and I saw this picture of Walt Sr., the founder, Walt Helmerich III, second generation, and they're here, 1963, and they're holding the ticker tape.
Here on the floor of the New York Stock
Here on the floor of
Exchange.
the New York Stock Exchange, and now 60 years ago, then it was, I've been with the company for 35 years, so, but that is really, as you think about the historical significance, we've not been back since 1963.
Mm-hmm.
Our hope is to come back again in the coming years.
Yes.
So we're really excited about this opportunity. It's been a lot of fun.
Oh gosh, well, great to have you here.
Yes.
I'm glad to hear you're not planning to wait another 60 years
No,
to get up there.
no, we won't. We will definitely be back.
It's wonderful to
Yeah.
have you here. Thanks for joining
Yeah.
me, John.
Thank you. Very good to meet you.